Response to creator questions about YPP policies, July 2025. Hi creators! We've seen confusion around a minor YPP update coming July 15th and wanted to share more information and answer top questions we've seen. What's changing on July 15th? To be clear, we're not introducing a new YPP policy. This is a minor update to our long-standing repetitious content guideline. We regularly update and evolve our policies based on the content on YouTube, and this update is to clarify that this policy includes content that is mass-produced or repetitive, which is content viewers often consider spam. This content has always been ineligible for monetization, as we've always required content to be original and authentic for YPP. We are also renaming this policy from repetitious content to inauthentic content. These guidelines apply regardless of how the content was made. Does this relate to reused content? There are no changes to our reused content policies which guide commentary, clips, compilation, and reaction content. This content can continue to monetize if you've added significant original commentary, modifications, or educational or entertainment value to the original video. Our monetization policies with more examples are shared in our Help Center here. Will using AI in my content be a violation of inauthentic content? We welcome creators using AI tools to enhance their storytelling, and channels that use AI in their content remain eligible to monetize. All channels must follow our monetization policies, and creators are required to disclose when their realistic content is altered or synthetic. More info on how to disclose altered or synthetic content in our Help Center. Can you give some examples of what is considered mass-produced content? A few examples of mass-produced content may include a channel that uploads narrated stories with only superficial differences between them. A channel that uploads slideshows that all have the same narration. This list is not exhaustive, so be sure to continue to review your content against our monetization policies.